This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something. But I mean, that's part of the debate, Connie, of like we're putting all of our libraries, all of our skills in here, and we're not charging. So I don't want necessarily people to be thinking I can steal all their stuff and just get out of ASM, right?
Yes,
Even though you can, but we're
that's a
way a lot.
right. Yeah, and those skills are very valuable.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it took us time to create them, right?
That's what I meant.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes,
Right.
and it would be nice for you to recover that money.
Yeah,
And
yeah, yeah.
uh,
But to your point too, the reason why I was talking to Irfan and Ryan about it, and I'm like, for me, I want to build a tool that really, really helps people. That's my main goal. And I was like, should we be charging a lot more for this stuff? We could, but it kind of defeats the purpose. I want to I want to have something where people can use it and not have to know all the stuff that VS Code makes you know, right? Like that gets sideways so easy and enabling extensions and having things go wrong. So to let people who don't even really know what they're doing leverage the skills we built and agents and other things and using our CLI to restart stuff for you. Like it's going to be a very cool tool. So I'd like to make money, but I'm not going to be charging. I think I'm just leaving the pro level at what it is and just including the stuff in it.
And
And
how much is that? Just
$8,000. No,
okay. Hang on. I'll get my my credit card.
I don't remember what it is. Is it $12.99? I don't remember. Or $9.99?
I think it's $12.99.
It was something ballpark.
Let me confirm.
Yeah.
You're talking $12 a night or $12.99, 1,200.
Oh, $13.
What?
That's what I'm saying. That's why I was saying like we're putting.
Holy cow! That's the bargain of the century and change.
Yeah, because we sell the libraries each for like $12.99 or something, But that's
Wow.
my point of like, it was one of those things I had to take a big gulp and just say, hey, you know what? For me, it's not about making the money. It's about making a tool that will really help people. Right. And so
that
I'm
sounds
like,
great.
yeah.
I've
So
been
I'm like,
wanting something like that for, a long time. I mean, you talk about all these things that you do and all the videos, that you've put out that show all these things. And I'm like, dang, I used to do that. I used to call it my toolbox, my coding toolbox, back in the old days. And I just had all these subroutines that I had created for this, that, and the other thing. And I just bundle them all together at one point and, and sold them as a package to people. And, wow.
I would say VS Code is a workbench and ASM is a toolbox.
that's funny. It's an interesting way to think about it. Yeah. Get insider savings, 25% off courses, scripts, and done-for-you AHK jobs, making premium tools affordable and accessible. Members get unlimited access to 466-plus hours of video lessons, packed with AHK insights to binge learn whenever inspiration hits.